Hey guys, Quad Cities Tesla guy here, and today I've got a review of some products from REEVAA that might just make your dog the happiest animal in the world. What do you think? JoJo, what do you think? Is it nice? You want to go for a little ride around the block once? REEVAA sent me over 2 items. First, the dog car seat cover, and then we have this dog mattress. So let's go ahead and get these installed inside my vehicle and let's find out just how happy a dog's gonna be. Okay, we're gonna start with the dog seat cover. So this comes in this nice case here, nice black case. It's got a Velcro strip along the top here. I'm just gonna open it up and take a look at what's inside. Yeah, it seems pretty high quality actually. Pretty impressed so far. Also, if you're checking out my wheels here, these are the Uberturbine wheel covers from EVBase, and you can check that out in my other video. I'll have that linked in the description below. So let's go ahead and continue opening this up and see what it's like. It's got some straps in here. So you got one side, and you got the other side, and then this is the mesh net here, so that your dog doesn't get anxiety. They can still see you from through the front seat. And then it's got some pieces that come up on each side of the door, and then you can easily open that up and get in and out of the vehicle as well. So let's go ahead and put this in the car and just see how it works. Okay, so you want to leave this thing folded up, because as you bring it in, you're going to bring it in folded up, and then we're just going to lay it out onto the seats, and then we're going to try this out. Now this is going to go around the front, so this would go around the passenger side. Now, and this side is going to go around the back of the rear seats here. And then this part will come up and be able to essentially attach up above here. So it comes with these adjustable straps that you can wrap around the back of the seat there. Get to the other side here. So again, we have our strap that goes up around our seat, and then we can tighten this down. There you go, that's perfect. And then this one is going to go around the driver's seat here. So let's just go ahead and tighten this up first, and then try to get this up over the seat. You just climb right in here, and let's just see. We have extra straps on one side, so the seatbelt one I think is for the dog. So the dog, you can actually put this through the material here and go into one of the seatbelt hooks, and then that will hold the dog in place so that they don't go crazy and get jumping around or fly out the window if you get in an accident. It goes just like that. Oh, and it even has a zipper, so you can zip up the sides here. And we'll just do that real quick. Zip up those, and then we'll put the strap up above. So there is a little bit of a Velcro area in here where you can go through and attach that piece to the seat belts. So we're just going to go ahead and do that. Push that into the seat belt there. And it comes right out of there, and then you can Velcro that back down. Let's go ahead and adjust this one here. But yeah, this thing then goes into the same spot on this side over here. All right, so that's all done. And then you can just zip this whole thing up as well on this side. So it zips up on all 4. So it's like a little box. I'll show you what that looks like. So that's what it looks like all put together in the back seats of the Model 3 Highland. As you can see, it fits well in there. Now let's just take a look at the straps from the front. I got those all tightened up nice and neat. And as you can see, there's like a mesh material right here that kind of comes through. And because it's a hard bottom, that space in front of the seats will not be a problem for the dog. Now I could probably still move my seat back. I want to see how far I can go back before it becomes an issue. I am way further back than I really need to be, and you can see there's still plenty of room. I'll show you what the angle looks like from the rear. So I'm just going to go back to my settings. So this is where I normally sit. So let's go ahead and take a look. Now I am only 5'7", 5'8", so I'm just squeezing a little extra inch in there maybe. But let's see how this looks from the back. So the back looks just fine. It doesn't really push very far in. That's kind of what it looks like from the outside here. So you can kind of see it's got the 4 walls. And let's go ahead and put the dog bed in next. Okay, so to put the dog bed in, all we need to do is bring this back down, pull that off, pull the 2 side zippers down like this, and then you can just kind of lay this down, and it gives a nice little entryway for them. Okay, so here's the dog bed, nice and soft plush, and on the bottom it's got material that's kind of grips the bottom of this so it doesn't slide around. And unfold this and get it in there. And it fits just right with the size of the bottom of this thing here. And then we can put this back up once we get a dog in there. And strap this on. And that's it. All right, let's go get a dog. JoJo's first impressions of this. Okay, see JoJo? Look, wait, they don't even know what JoJo looks like. They're waiting to see what JoJo looks like. Well, here, show everybody your face. There she is. Isn't she darling? That's JoJo. JoJo is gonna try out this new bed. There he goes, just like that. And then JoJo can get right in there. What does JoJo think? Does JoJo like it? Is it nice and comfy? Can you lay down? Oh, you're gonna wiggle. What do you think? JoJo, what do you think? Is it nice? You wanna go for a little ride around the block once? This JoJo, she is the queen of the back seat, aren't you? Are you the queen? Are you the best friend? You like it? You gonna lay down and take a nap? Okay, let's go for a ride. All right, bye Mama. We'll be right back. We're gonna go for a ride around the block and see if I like it. All right. All right, let's go. What do you think? Let's see if JoJo likes it or JoJo makes noise. She always is kind of a whiner when we're going for rides. So it'll be interesting to see if she actually is a whiner in this. And so far, she seems pretty good. She seems pretty good. Now she's checking out, she's looking out the windows. Now I probably should have those up a little higher because she is going to want to look out the windows. She's a window looker. She's kind of wiggling. And we'll have the car do full self-driving and see what JoJo thinks of full self-driving as well. What do you think, Joey? You like it? She's not even made a peep being back there yet. It is pretty calm. So let's go ahead and wipe down. Let's go ahead and set Grammys and then just click the button. And now JoJo is peeking out the window. Hey, JoJo, are you liking it back there? She is a Havanese and she is about 5 years old. She is a sweet little thing. And she's actually just sitting there, kind of laying down. Not really laying down. What does JoJo think of the bed? Huh? Are you able to move around back there while it's moving, while the car's moving? She does get a little panty while she's driving places, so she does have a tendency to pant. But I think if she were back there long enough, she would actually probably just lay down and fall asleep. But yeah, I think she likes it. What do you think, JoJo? Okay, we're back. We have arrived at your home. Okay, let's get you out of here. JoJo is ready to get out of there. So let's see. Let's go ahead and pull these 2 zippers down. And then we just pull this strap off, lay this down the side, and we say, come here. And she's all strapped in here onto the seat belt, which is nice because they won't move around at all. And there is JoJo. Say hello. Say hello to everybody, JoJo. Say hi. My name's JoJo, and I am the star of this video. Okay, to get this thing out, all we have to do is take this hook off, hold it on the zippers on each side, lay that down, and then we could just take this mat. I'm just going to fold it in half and then fold it one more time. And then this part here, all we have to do is just fold the parts back in, take it off the seats. I mean, literally it takes, all you have to do is take these off your seats, just like this. So we'll go get the other side here. Yep, so just take these off the seats here. Take this side off. So basically unzip both sides, take that off, and then you just fold it up just like that and just like this. Now there is this seat belt, so you need to undo the seat belt. Just fold that in and then voila, just get it out of your car just like that. And it's out. And it has these two handles here too, so it's easy to hold on to. And it comes with this little dog chain thing. It says warranty. It's got the warranty and the email for support. But that's all you have to do is take it out and let's put it away. Now it comes with this pouch here. So we're just going to go ahead and put this inside the pouch. And just like that, we got it put away and inside this Velcro strapped thing. So just Velcro it up, put it in the back of your car. Okay, guys, let me give you my honest opinion on these dog items for your Tesla, either a Model 3, Model Y. This would probably work in any model of Tesla, maybe even the Cybertruck. Now, it's 51 inches across, and it needs about 21 inches. Let me just go to the site here, and I'll put this on screen for you so you can kind of see what it looks like. So if you go to REEVAAlife.com, all you have to do is click on dog accessories, dog car accessories, and you're going to see the two items right here. So there are two options. There is an extra large dog cover, and then there is a dog bed. Now, I have this one here, the REEVAA upgraded dog seat cover for back seat, hard bottom with cushion sponge extender, rough waterproof dog hammock, and with mesh window for car. Rover universal fits for SUV, sedan, and small truck, and it comes in black. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this. So this is what it looks like. You can see there are pictures of a happy dog, happy family of dogs, and that's kind of like what the materials look like inside of just the mat itself. And then another picture of a beautiful dog, happy as can be. And that's kind of what it looks like all together. Now it shows the dimensions here. It's 51 inches across. So you need about that much space. Now I measured the Tesla Model 3 and it was more than 51 inches, but like with those little bumps that come out, it kind of has to move a little bit forward, but it doesn't seem to be a problem. Still seems to work really well. The sides are about 21.5 inches tall. And then the depth from the back of the seat to the front seats is about 23.6 inches, 23.5 inches as well. Now, as you can see, it comes with these two pockets. So you can put like items for your dog in there. I think in one of these pictures, they have some items in there. So you can kind of see like they have a water bottle and a dog bowl. And you can put toys and stuff in there. And then you can see kind of this mesh little area right there too, where the dog can see through. So that kind of reduces the anxiety the dog might have. Now, let's just take a look at the specs of this. So it's got this pillow soft comfort. Truly, it was soft. I think even I could lay in there and sleep, but I'm not going to make a video of me sleeping in a dog bed all night. Just forget that. Universal fit. So it fits most vehicles, small trucks and whatnot. And there is a version, an extra large version for larger vehicles. So if you need that, that would be another option. And then there's more space, safer travel. Basically, it fills the gap because that hard board comes all the way to the back of the front seats. So it basically won't fall down when the dog's standing on the edge there. It's got this calming mesh window. So again, we talked about that, and it's durable and waterproof, tear resistant, anti-slip base, easy to wipe and clean. and it's got a 3-year warranty and free replacement, no return required. So that's the actual dog seat cover, and it's pretty cool. I think it's easy to fold up and put away. Not a big deal. So let's go ahead and take a look at the mattress itself. So now this is the mattress that you can get, and this is the dog bed mat for car back seat. It's extra thick and chew resistant road trip bed to fully protect dog safety. It's 54 inches by 24 inches by 1.8 inches. So it's a little bit longer than this bed, but it fits pretty good. I mean, you can't really tell. I think it's because it's also made for the extra large car seat cover. And as you can see here, cozy travel comfort, plush supportive padding. It is pretty soft. I mean, I got to tell you, it's got this anti-slip base on the bottom, so it won't slip around. Now, you could probably just put that directly on the seat if you wanted to, but I would recommend getting both of these items. They're pretty good if you have a dog. So fully machine washable, so you can just shove the whole thing in the washing machine and wash it. And it's portable and versatile, perfect for cars, camping, or everyday use at home. So there you go. That's the 2 items. And the prices of these right now are $49.99 on sale, normally $59.99. And the other item, you can see this one, the smaller one for SUVs and smaller SUVs and trucks, as well as like sedans like this, is $98.99, normally $109.99. Now, the larger one you can see here as well, and it is a little bit more expensive, but not much. $109 on sale right now, and normally $119. Now, you can use my code, QC Tesla Guy, and that will get you 20% off your purchase. You can also find all these on Amazon as well, so I'll provide a link in the description for the products on Amazon, but that's pretty much it. I think it's a pretty awesome thing. If you have a pet, they'll love it. Yeah, I think all around, I give this 10 stars, man. This thing is pretty awesome for a dog. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. It's subscribers like you that really help my channel to reach other people. And I just really appreciate everybody that subscribes and comments on my videos. Tell me what you think about JoJo too. I really want to hear your thoughts on JoJo. She's a pretty cool dog. And then if you are interested in buying a Tesla or looking to buy a Tesla, you can go to qcteslaguy.com. And if you use the referral link, the button at the top of my page, it'll get you 3 free months of full self-driving. And that will be on top of the 1 free month that you already get when you purchase a new vehicle or lease a new vehicle from Tesla. If you haven't seen my playlist for reviews, you can click here. Or if you haven't seen my previous video about how to use the actual Tesla app on your phone and all the features that are in it, then click here. Thanks again for watching. And until next time, use technology to drive safe so that you can live life.